Hello, this is Linda K. Black. Look, here's three trees. Can you hear the bird? Hey! You have a nest up there? Do you have little birds? Huh? This is a tree and it grows. There's branches and branches. There's a bird up there. It probably has a nest. Hope it has baby birds in the nest. Can you hear it? I can't see its nest. Can you hear the bird? It's a tree. Here's another tree. There's another tree. Another tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side of the fence. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I can't see the bird up in the tree, but it's up there. I can hear him. I can hear her. Usually have a male and female bird, and they have little birds. Okay, bye.